So if you've worked with the color settings in Adobe Premiere Pro, which I have, then you'll know that when you have the Lumetri color panel enabled, it auto-enables this thing called Selection Follows Playhead. Now, if you restart the program, or if you reset to your saved layout, or you switch between layouts and you've got the Lumetri color panel open, you will get this, which is Selection Follows Playhead. And it absolutely tanks the performance of your system. So you can see it's still playing back kind of fine, but the playhead is just not even syncing up with my mouse at all. If I really shake my mouse around, it's not even updating anymore. And that's just because it's trying to pull so many details of the different clips that are going on here. And this has just been a problem for many of my systems, and a lot of my friends who are editors, they have this exact same problem. They want the Lumetri color panel open. They just don't want Selection Follows Playhead always coming up on their screen. So it's fine. I told them, oh, well, yeah, you can just bind Selection Follows Playhead to a button on your keyboard, and I bound mine to F12, and you can disable it like that. But again, if you restart the program or reset to your saved layout, it auto-enables again and tanks your performance, and it's just not fun at all. So I've been searching for quite a while for some way to disable this, and I learned about the Adobe Premiere Pro console, which if you go and press Control F12, it brings up this little window here. And this allows you to run commands and see a debugging console of exactly what's going on in Premiere Pro. But if you actually click the little drop-down menu here and click Debug Database View, it shows you all the features that are built into Premiere Pro, which is really handy for us because, luckily, Selection Follows Playhead is a feature and you can disable it. Now, keep in mind that we're not actually disabling Selection Follows Playhead overall. It still definitely does have a use case in some situations. We're just disabling it, auto-enabling every single time we restart the program or start a new project or reset to a save layout. So, how I found this, look, I could have searched through this whole entire list, but normally, if you're doing something to do with computers, someone has already done it before. So, thank you again to the Adobe Forums. Someone posted about it, Chris Z77. He posted about it, and the official response from the Adobe community professionals was that behavior was changed in 2018. If you turn it off, it stays off. As we've discussed, not really. If you reset your workspace or even restart the program, it'll re-enable again. But luckily down here, Juan Mario, whatever his name is, I don't know how to pronounce that. He discovered the little flag that you can enable and disable in the program. So it's under color.auto selection follows playhead. So it's just, here it is. So color auto selection follows playhead. So if you actually uncheck the box here, and it's not going to do anything else to the program, as long as you're only changing that, then it's not going to do anything drastic. And if you disable that, then all of a sudden selection follows playhead. Even if you've got the Lumetri color panel open, it will never, ever auto-enable itself again. So you never have to deal with it. Now the best part about this is, even if you still want to use selection follows playhead, as I said, you can still toggle it on. I've got it bound to F12. Some projects I do need it. Most projects I do not. So yeah, that's how to disable it completely from auto-enabling every time you don't want it to. So yeah, this footage here is from an upcoming video about the Nintendo GameCube that I'm making. I've had a lot of fun playing around with it and making this little intro section here. I'll probably be releasing it as a little promo for the projects that I've got coming up. But that's about it. This should be out in the next few weeks, so stay tuned for that one. And thanks for watching. See you later.